Does your phone do this? Are you dependent on a charger? Is your phone always going in a loop? Are you worried that you may lose your data and not be able to recover it? Getting a new battery in your phone will make it like brand new again. A new battery is like a new phone. We call it the oil change for your phone. Here's how to check if you need a new battery in your phone. You go into the settings, you scroll down to the battery meter right here where it says battery, that setting, and now it says, oh look, battery health and charging, service. So it's actually telling you you need to service this battery. Let's click it and see what it says. Wow, Apple has actually told us that there's an important battery message. Your battery's health is significantly degraded. So what it's telling you is that the capacity of the battery is only at 78%. This is not going to work for the phone to work fast or properly. It needs to have an 85% or higher maximum capacity on the battery itself. And this is what a new battery looks like. Maximum capacity, 100%. Now, changing the battery can't happen by me or you at home. You have to go to a professional to get it done. All you do is pay some money, they open up the phone, replace the battery, and hopefully they give you a good warranty.